You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's hear how to pronounce the name of this vehicle in French. It's the Renault 4, and that's how we pronounce it as well, 4. But French for 4 is quatre. Quatre. Therefore, the French pronunciation, Renault 4. Renault 4. Or in English, you can simply say it as Renault 4. Renault 4 or Renault 4. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.